In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a Confluence page private. If you want to hide a draft from the rest of your workspace or limit a page to a small group, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. Start by opening your browser and heading to startatlassian.com. Log into your Atlassian account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your Atlassian home. On the left panel, select the Confluence space that contains the page you want to protect. A space is simply where a set of related pages live, like a team or project area. After you choose the space, click the page you want to make private to open it. At the top of the page, near the share button, look for the lock icon. If your page is currently accessible to others, this icon will appear as an open lock. Click that icon to open the access settings for the page. You'll see a panel showing the current level of access. In many cases, it will say something like anyone can view and edit, which means people with access to the space can see or change your page. To restrict it, click the drop down and select Restricted. Restricted means only people who are explicitly allowed will have access. Others in the space will no longer be able to view or edit this page. Keep in mind that, depending on your organization's setup, site administrators may still retain access for compliance or support. Next, confirm your change by clicking Apply or Save. Confluence will update the page restrictions right away. A good visual confirmation is the lock icon at the top of the page. It should now appear closed, indicating that restrictions are in place. A couple of quick tips for clarity. This change applies to this specific page only. If you have child pages that also need to be private, you'll need to repeat these same steps on each one. Also, if someone previously had a link to the page, they still won't be able to open it unless they're explicitly allowed after you set it to restricted. If you don't see the lock icon or the options are grayed out, you may not have permission to change restrictions on this page. In that case, reach out to the page owner or your site admin so they can adjust the permissions for you. And that's it. Open your browser, go to start.atlassian.com, log in, navigate to the space and page, click the lock icon, switch the access to restricted and apply your changes. Your Confluence page is now private to only those you intend to see it. Thanks for watching.